Quick cleaning hack of cleaning your carpet with a squeegee. Is it advisable? That's debatable. You've got to be very careful. If you've got a wool carpet, you could break the fibres. That said, if you've got long hair, you can often get a lot of hair tangled into the carpet, or if you've got a long-haired pet, a dog or a cat, you can get lots of little fibres brought into the carpet. And even the best vacuums on the market struggle to get rid of it. So if you're careful, yes, you can use a squeegee to clean your carpet. Not technically clean, but get rid of top layer excess. And it can lift the pile as well, because you are moving that pile. But nothing is going to beat a good, thorough, deep clean to get the build up out of the fibres of the carpet. So what do? Just simply scrape the carpet towards you. Now, no scrubbing. If you scrub, that's going to damage. So this is, as you can see, just pulling some of the fibres. Now, I've regularly vacuumed this carpet. We vacuum once a day, maybe, typically. But even that, and I've got a dog in the house and a number of kids, so they molt as well. That's not brought out a great deal, but it is definitely possible to do that, and you can see the lift in the carpet.